To me, the sound is a very important part of the picture. It's not just an assembly line thing where you sort of cut the picture and then you just dump the sound on later. It's much more thought out than that.
The sound effects in Star Wars are really what gives these fantastic visuals credibility. And we just take for granted that these machines, these weapons, these aliens,
enjoy your stay,
these places are all real. There always had to be someone selecting or creating the sounds that would be put into the soundtrack. And there's a real legacy there. The recordings live on. You know, we have over 5,000 sounds in the Star Wars library, and I've been recording things since about 1975.